Maris, come here, man. I know you installed something on it, and I'd like to talk a bit about it.
Yeah,
I think,
classic car,
yeah,
so needs to be protected.
but
They're easy to bypass and start them.
no,
So
you know what? Let's go for a drive, and then you talk me what you install into.
okay, let's go.
Go on the passenger side.
Yeah,
Come on.
let's go.
A beautiful drive with the turbo R,
Yeah,
big engine, you know?
6.3.
6.7.
6.7.
6.75, that's how they call it.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful car, man. Look.
Yeah, it's been
Uh,
quite well kept. Not used enough. I would like to be used.
yeah. So
Look at that.
we installed on this one an immobilizer from StarLine.
Yeah.
This
Is it just an immobilizer?
is an immobilizer with a tracker.
All right.
So this is specifically for this type of vehicles or van or fleets. Is one of the devices which you can actually work with this car.
A classic car,
a classic car.
it doesn't
which
have
it
the
doesn't
modern
has. Yeah, it doesn't have the electrics like the modern vehicles with the CAN systems.
Okay.
You know, this one doesn't have a CAN system. This one only has on and off.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously it has a lot of stuff, being a classic vehicle and a Bentley as well. It still has a lot of electric things which other cars they didn't have at that time.
Yeah, absolutely.
At the age of this,
But
when this was produced.
the idea is that it doesn't have the new communication network.
It doesn't have a new communication network. We had to find a way to protect it against theft.
Using modern technology for
exactly,
all.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we stolen M13 from StarLine,
Okay.
which is a tracker with an immobilizer. Okay. So
how does it work?
So I can see few features on the vehicle. I can see like the battery voltage on it. I can see where the vehicle goes.
So it also has a tracker.
Yeah, it also has a tracker feature and also has a stopping, not stopping, like an immobilizer for the vehicle to be immobilized. So if someone wants to take it away, it will not start.
Okay,
anyway.
So how do you immobilize it? You immobilize it when it's stationary, while you drive?
You can immobilize it at any time, even if the vehicle drives, but it will not stop the engine because it's dangerous.
Okay.
But as soon as the engine is stopped,
turned off,
the vehicle will not start anymore.
Again.
Not again until I disarm re-enable the
engine start.
Yes.
So this is a solution for classic
for
cars.
Classic cars. Yeah, there's a lot of customers, a lot of people. They have a classic vehicle, and sometimes they have, or they might not have a garage, or they might have a storage which is targeted for theft. Being a classic vehicle, they can be. You cannot track them. If you don't have anything like this installed on the vehicle. Of course,
yeah, because old vehicles they don't have.
Yeah, they don't have all these
apps,
modern apps and tracking systems, and they are
factory fitted.
Yeah, I'll say the classic vehicles should have this type of protection. I would say. Yeah. This is the app. It looks like this. So
okay.
We'll show some
simple
and efficient way. Even shows you now that the vehicle is on.
And you see the location in real.
And you can see the location in real time as we move. Yeah, we are in.
So I assume this is a subscription base.
Subscription is about £40 a year.
£40 a year.
Yeah, so it's not a lot.
So let's I'm gonna turn the engine off. So it's still
at the moment
start inhibit is not activated.
It's not activated yet. So by example, now the vehicle starts with no problems.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now I'll go and lock the engine. Execute command.
Okay, so in theory, at the moment, the car will not start. That's an indication.
That's an indication the command has been sent. Let's see if it starts. So it shows you now.
Okay.
You see?
Okay, it shows also
It
in the
shows
app.
you also in the app that
The start is
is inhibit.
okay.
So you will not be able to start it now if you try it.
That's true. Yeah.
Yeah. So then you have another button in here which you can obviously
Configure. Yeah.
yeah, and then I think is my internet.
Yeah. Internet those days is a bit of an issue, but it should be on now.
Now it should be online.
Okay, so let's give it a try. It's as simple as that.
Yeah, simple as few clicks, the engine
Gets blocked.
gets blocked, and you keep your classic vehicle safe.
And whenever you want to get back to it, re-enable it from the app,
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
get it started, and drive away.
And
Because
where
those
we are
keys,
when we move.
keys are blank keys. They are just a piece of metal, so
Yeah.
no immobilizer on them.
I think it's a
This is
great
one of
feature.
them. Yeah, this is one of them cars that you can literally hardwire to start.
Yeah, like in the movie.
Like in the movie.
Yeah.
So obviously,
Like in MacGyver movies.
you need to have something like that.
Yeah, it's good to have some. It's really, you know what? It's really nice. You have more modern technology with your classic car.
Yeah, it works together
It works together.
and then protects
It's
it. Yeah.
simple. There are some fobs for this type of tracking devices as well, which you can have, if I'm not mistaken.
What to
Have it with you.
to enable the
Yeah, to enable and disable
and
the
the app goes
goes
on Android.
along on hand with this.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also the app can be installed both Android and
Yes, can be both Android and Apple
iPhone.
The price is something, I don't know,
Yeah, I mean that's also important. What sort of
between
price?
£400 to £500, depending on the location. This includes the installation of the device and the device itself,
Okay.
depending where you are, obviously.
Simple and efficient. You lose the phone, you can
You can easily go on a desktop.
and then you can also put the app on another device easily.
Easily, no problems.
It can be transferred. So.
Yeah.
And what about if you lose the phone? How are you gonna start the car? You need to put the app on another.
You can add the app on another device
and then operate.
and then operate it from there.
The classic car is very hard.
Yeah,
to
you
find
have to go step by step to find the right wire with the power,
Correct.
with the ground, with all this type of stuff. And obviously you have to find a good place to hide this. Because remember, this one doesn't have lots of looms inside, so you have to find a way of hiding this device.
Yeah, this is important for the protection. So I think it's from the benefit from the feature and then from the price, it's a must-have for classic car which doesn't have any immobilizer.
You know, these are easy to steal if you don't. Well, most of the owners, they have them in a garage because the classic car. You don't want to keep it in the rain, get all rusty and this. But you don't always keep it in the garage. You go in with it for a ride, in a holiday or somewhere at the park, on a Sunday, on a sunny Sunday. You want to go around and enjoy your classic vehicle. And then that vehicle is exposed if it doesn't have any tracking or security system or immobilizer system. So it's very important to have something like this for your classic
because
car.
We are in the industry. We know how often it happens. Yeah,
we hear car theft every single day.
Exactly.
A few times. So yeah, this is a nice feature. So that's why we worked a bit on this car and made it theft proof, I'll say.
Yeah. And now we needed something like that for for the Bentley. Yeah. We want to protect this ride.
Yeah, it's a nice car to drive around. So
did you like the ride?
Of course, I like to go with this one anywhere.
It's like a journey back in time.
Yeah. Plus, it's so comfortable and
smell.
And the smell of petrol and
and the smell of everything inside. Yeah. Maris, thank you for the explanation. It was very useful, and I think this particular tracker, the M13,
and
it's a good solution for security
on classic vehicles.
Absolutely.
For the owners, think about it. It's a
balance between the price and what you can offer.
It offers you protection against your classic car, doesn't cost much. Subscription is only £40 a year. Few pints in the pub, probably.
Makes sense. Thank you, Maris.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed the ride, and thank 100%. You for the explanation.
No problem.
Stay close for more videos about cars and vehicle security.
Yeah.